Certified Pega System Architect, V8.8, PEGACPSA88V1 exam updated dumps are available, which are valuable in your preparation. Share some Pega Systems PEGACPSA88V1 exam dumps here. 1. A company often receives multiple IT tickets for the same issue, such as the office Wi-Fi is down. You configure a Search Duplicate Cases step to identify duplicate IT tickets. What is the basic condition for the Search Duplicate Cases step? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Issue type as same. B. Name of submitter as same. C. Department as same. D. Office location as same. 2. On a service level, the past deadline interval is measured from available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. The end of the goal interval. B. The end of the deadline interval. C. When a user begins the assignment. D. When the assignment is ready for a user. 3. Sales managers must be able to approve sales quote proposals by email and from their mobile devices. How do you implement this requirement? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Add and approve, reject step and enable email notifications on the case type. B. Add and approve, reject step and enable approval from email and mobile. C. Add and approve, reject step and a send email step. D. Add and approve, reject step with mobile approval enabled and add a send email step. 4. A survey is sent to a customer via email. How do you configure a solution to ensure the email includes the case ID for the survey? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Create a required field for the case ID that must be entered by a user during the case process prior to sending the email. B. Use the insert property feature of a send email step to add the case ID when composing the custom message. C. Create a process using the send email step allowing representatives to quickly add the case ID to the email. D. Call a data transform to copy the case ID from PyWork page to the email. 5. A new case type for voiceover requests includes two tasks: edit script and record script. Your team has been asked to route edit script tasks to editors and record script tasks to actors. Which approach fulfills this requirement? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Create one workgroup for both personas and route to the workgroup. B. Create one new work queue and spurt the tasks by type. C. Create two new work queues, one for editors and one for actors. D. Create two new workgroups in Dev Studio that reference one work queue. 6. A travel authorization requires approvals from the requestors manager, division VP, and possibly an accountant based on the total amount. Which configuration satisfies this use case? Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Cascading approval using an authority matrix. B. Cascading approval using the workgroup manager. C. Cascading approval using when rules to identify the assigned user. D. Cascading approval using the reporting manager. 7. A purchase request case type. You have the following requirement: purchase requests should automatically go to the manager of an employee. To meet this requirement, you design a case with A. Available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Change stage step to allow the employee to route to the manager. B. Step that routes to the manager. C. Stage to route requests to the manager. D. Process that routes to the manager. 8. In which two situations is it appropriate to use a decision table? Choose 2 available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A dance studio recommends a membership type based on the number and type of dance classes the customer wants to attend every month. B. Order total is calculated based on the quantity and price of the items in the customer's shopping cart. C. A hair care company suggests a line of products to customers based on their hair type, scalp moisture, hair moisture, and whether it is color-treated. D. If customers decide to add insurance, checked bags or early boarding to their airline tickets, extra fees are added to their order total. 9. A business architect has developed a new process for a case type. To verify that the UL elements collect the expected results, you want to test the process and the fields. Which two configurations, when used together, allow you to record a set of interactions and save the test results to verify process functionality. Choose 2 available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Create a scenario test for the case type. B. Create a unit test for the case type. C. Add explicit assertions on the UL elements. D. Add explicit assertions on the scenario testing landing page. 10. You want to unit test a rule to ensure that the rule executes as intended. You need to populate a test page with valid data. Which two options allow you to populate a test page before testing the rule? Choose 2 available choices. Select all choices that are correct. A. Configure an assertion to define the required data. B. Configure a validate rule to populate the page with the necessary data. C. Run a data transform to create the test page. D. Copy data from an existing clipboard page.